In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make your video appear smaller inside the frame, DaVinci Resolve makes that very easy once you know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact place to find the zoom controls and how to adjust them smoothly so your shot looks the way you want. To begin, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to edit. This is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the settings for the clip that is currently selected. If nothing is selected, or if you accidentally click somewhere else, the controls you need may not appear correctly. Once your clip is selected, move to the top right area of the screen and open the inspector. The inspector is where you'll find many of the clip's adjustment options, including position, scale, rotation, and of course, zoom. If the inspector is not currently visible, just click the inspector button to open that panel. Inside the inspector, make sure you're looking under the video section. In that section, find Transform. This is where DaVinci Resolve groups the main controls that affect how your clip appears inside the frame. Under Transform, look for the zoom settings. You'll usually see Zoom X and Zoom Y. These control the width and height of the image. To zoom out, you can click and drag on the values to reduce them. Lower values make the video appear smaller, which creates the zoomed out look. You can also click directly on the number and type in a value manually if you want more precision. If you want the clip to stay proportionate, make sure Zoom X and Zoom Y remain the same. That keeps the image from looking stretched or squashed. For example, if one value is smaller than the other, the clip may look distorted. So in most cases, you'll want to adjust both evenly. As you change the zoom values, keep an eye on the preview window so you can immediately see the result. This makes it easier to stop when the framing looks right. If the clip becomes too small, just raise the values slightly until you get the look you want. That's all it takes to zoom out on a video in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip, open the inspector, go to the video section, find Transform, and adjust the Zoom X and Zoom Y values. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick and useful edit.